Welcome back to Quiz Splash. Grab a snack, focus on the emojis, and let's see if you can beat the quiz. Today's game is Guess the Food by Emoji. You'll go through 60 exciting rounds, each giving you just 10 seconds to pick the right answer. Get ready, tap the dot, turn on your brain, subscribe, and let's see how far you can go. Ice cream. That one was pretty chill. Nicely done. Ready to guess the next one? Cupcake. Sweet and simple, great start. Let's see if you can get the next one. Cheesecake. Those were the first three already. Have you guessed them all so far? This one is a bit more challenging. Pancake. Flipped that answer perfectly. Can you solve the next one? Milkshake. That guess was smooth. Focus up for what's coming next. Popcorn. That one really popped. Let's see if you catch this one too. Cornbread. Nicely baked answer. Keep the streak going. Hot dog. That guess was on fire. Ready for another? Hamburger, a true classic. Well done. Let's see the next emojis. Sandwich. That one was sneaky. Nice job. Think fast for this one. Breakfast. You didn't break a sweat there. Can you keep it up? Dinner plate, double points. Guess the next word. Lunchbox, packed perfectly. Here comes another challenge. Teacup. Sip, sip, nicely done. Let's move on. Coffee maker. Fully brewed brain right there. Can you get the next one? Watermelon. Refreshingly correct. Stay sharp for what's next. Strawberry? Sweet guess. Let's see the next emojis. Blueberry, beautiful answer. Ready for another? Blackberry, dark but delicious, well spotted. Keep going. Pineapple! That's 20 already. Are you still getting them all right? This next one might slow you down a bit. Applesauce, smooth thinking. Guess the next one. Peanut butter. Nice and smooth. Let's keep moving. Jam jar. Sweet solution. Can you get this one too? Honeycomb! Sticky but smart. Here comes another. Eggplant, veggie victory. Ready for the next challenge? Meatball, straight into the goal. Let's continue. Fish cake. That one smelled fishy. Focus on the next emojis. Crab stick. Snapped that one fast. Can you solve this? Seafood, deep sea success. Next one's coming up. Snow cone, ice cold accuracy. Let's keep going. Fruitcake. Sweet logic right there. Guess the next word. Chocolate bar. Double chocolate, double win. Ready for more? Candy cane, minty fresh thinking. What about this one? Sugar cube, small but sharp. Let's see if you get the next one. Sweet corn. Sweet guess. Stay focused. Cornflakes. Breakfast brain activated. Can you keep it up? Buttercream. Smooth finish. Next emojis on screen. Shortbread. Short and sweet. Guess this one. Garlic bread. Full of flavor and a great answer. Let's continue. Flatbread. Straightforward win. Ready for the next? Rice cake. Light but clever. Here we go again. Breadstick. Crunchy success. Guess this one. Onion ring. No tears needed this time. Let's move on. Chicken wing. Finger lickin' smart. Can you solve the next? Drumstick. Beat that answer. Focus up. Cheeseburger. Extra cheesy win. Let's keep it rolling. Fish finger. That one was on point. Ready for another? Milk powder. Dry but clever thinking. Almost there. Teaspoon. Measured perfectly. One more coming up. Tablespoon. That's 50 already, and you're doing amazing so far. Let's finish strong. Honey cake. Sweet finish. Can you get the next one too? Butter cookie. Crumbelievable answer. Keep going. Sweet roll. Rolled perfectly. Ready for the next? Corn chip. Crunchy win. Just a few left now. Milk carton boxed and solved. Almost done. Apple pie, as easy as pie. One more to go. Lemonade. Refreshing answer. Final challenge coming up. Meatloaf. Solid guess. Get ready for the last one. Snack time. Perfect ending. How many did you get right? That's today's Quiz Splash. Drop your score in the comments, like, subscribe, and see you in the next quiz.